Assalamualaikum and hi. My name is Shazly bin FANSURY, and alongside with my group members Muhammad ZAKWAN ZAKIRIN, HUDA NAJIHAH, SAIDAH, and also NURSYAMIMI. Today we are going to present to you our group project on the title of Regular Expression for Theory of Computer Science project. Assalamualaikum. My name is Shazly bin FANSURY, and today I'm going to present to you from behalf of my group about the project that we made for this subject, Theory of Computer Science, which is regular expression. So the introduction of regular expression is regular expression are powerful tools for pattern matching and also text manipulation. They provide a concise and flexible way to describe and search for specific patterns within the strings. So regular expression have widespread application in such as computer science, programming, and also data processing. Uh, the purpose of regular expression is for tasks such as data validation, text search and replace, input validation, and also lexical analysis. On the other hand, regular expression also efficiently handle large amount of text and also can attract relevant information based on patterns. And learning regular expression bridges the gap between theory and also practice, enabling the user for practical text and also processing skills. And also moving on to the example. So that this is the example on regular expression. So on these basic things, a regular expression for an alphabet that symbol M shift to the left is called omega. My apologies, it's called sigma. The alphabet sum, as in other words, sum is a certain kind of pattern that describes a set strings over sum, the symbol. So, for example, L into the curly bracket of set A, comma AA, comma AAA, and so on. We can define it with the closure. So let's say S equal to curly bracket of A, comma, and also L equals to S prime, which is the one that will close the prime. Or we can also write it as L equals to curly bracket A, curly bracket prime.
Okay, next we go through with more example of regular expression. Let's say alphabet is equal to the set of A and B. A is equal to set of consists of A, and AB is equal to the set of consists of AB. Meanwhile, A or B equal to the set of A, B. Next is A with the symbol of plus. It's equal to the set of A, AA, and so on. Meanwhile, the A with the symbol of asterisk is equal to the set of the same as A with the symbol of A plus, but it consists of empty sets.
Assalamualaikum, a very good day to everyone. My name is Muhammad ZAKIRIN RAZAK, and now I'm going to talk about the advantage and disadvantage about the regular expression. So the advantage of using the regular expression is first is concise and expressive, which it will provide a compact and powerful notation for describing pattern in string. Next is portability, which is widely supported across various programming language and tools. And next, move to the efficiency. Efficiency, it is designed to be efficiently matched against string. And move to the next. Last one is standardization, which is follow a well-defined syntax and semantics that has been standardized in many programming language and tools. Move to, next to the disadvantage, which first is complexity. It become complex and difficult to read and understand, especially for intricate patterns or larger regular expression. Next is limited expressiveness, which is struggle to handle more complex language or patterns that require context-sensitive or recursive matching. And the last disadvantage of using the regular expression is lack of readability, which may be a cryptic and non-intuitive for the shorthand notation and special characters. Now, I will talk about the regular special expression in the real-world application. First is text search and extraction, which is used in search functionality to match and extract specific pattern or information from text. Next, move to the form validation. Is it can be used to employ to validate user input in the form field, which to ensure it is in a specific format. Next, it is syntax highlighting, which it can be specific syntax pattern or programming language and markup language that can be meshed with the regular expression to highlight the different code elements. Last is the password validation is to enforce certain password requirement such as the minimum length, specific characters, or the combination of uppercase and lowercase with the special characters in it. That's all from me. Thank you.
As to what ZAKWAN said just now, there are so many kind of how we will apply the regular expression in the real world. So next is how do we apply it in Python. So to do it in the real world first, we must do the coding right. So this is how we applied it. So in the Python, we have a module which is RA. So first of all, to use the regex, the regular expression, we must input the RE, and then we have four functions inside the module, which first is the find all, which is it will return a list containing of the matches that we want to find. Then we have search, which is it will return a match object if there is a match anywhere in the string. And then we have split, which is it will return a list where the string has been split at each match that we have determined. And after that we have sub, which is to replace one or many matches with a string. Alright, next for regular expression in SQL. So in SQL, if you want to find some pattern, or if you want to find some word from the database as example, you can use like or similar to, which is the example with the operator that already included in SQL. But as example, if the user want to more pattern recognition as example, so they can use regex. There is so many things that you can do with regex in SQL, but for the example here, it is how to match single character which is not specified. What I mean by not specified is, example, we have a character set that we want to exclude some characters from the match. These sets are called the negated character sets. So you can create a negated character set by placing a character as example in the AEIOU. Before that, there is a character which is we call the caret character. So as example, the AEIOU. Then we will find the all characters that are not vowels inside the SQL. So next is to match all letters and numbers. So instead of using what we call 0 until 9a until z is until z or something like that, we can instead use the alpha num as the one that I showed. This is one of the example of the predefined class, which is the post classes that is available when a user use regular expression in the SQL.
Okay, next I'll present about the conclusion for regular expression. The conclusion is regular expression are versatile tools for pattern matching and text manipulation. They also offer a concise and flexible way to handle structured data. And regular expression find application in the programming, data processing, and text analysis. They are the understanding regular expression syntax and meta characters enhance text processing efficiency. And mastery of regular expression boosts productivity and problem-solving abilities. And the regular expressions are widely supported in programming language and tools. And the last is, regular expressions are essential skill for developer and data professional. That's all from us. Thank you.